You've seen me dissect Secret Labs chairs and their Titan range over the years. Well, today I'm going to take a look at a new kid on the block, the Mavix M9. Welcome back to another episode of STU'S Reviews. Now, today's episode, I'm just going to unbox the M9, take a look at it, have a look at what the experience is like opening it and putting it together, and also give you maybe an initial impression of how it feels to sit in one. But I will be catching up with you in about a month's time to tell you my experience over a longer period to find out whether or not it is any good and worth the money that they ask. But not only that, in the month later review, I'll be taking a look at things such as the warranty, the company, how well these chairs are built, what they're made out of. I'll basically dissect to the minutiae how good these things are. And this video and the next video that I'll be doing, which if it's done, I'll leave a link in the description below, are completely unsponsored, unpaid for, unaffiliated. So please know that this is my honest opinion. Let's get started. There is an interesting thing about this box straight away, is that it came pre-opened by FedEx. Everything was falling out of the bottom. So I'm hoping that what I want is inside this box. Because, look, I mean, I didn't even have to open this. This is how it came. And if I show you the inside here, look, right? So there's this hole there, where someone's put their hand in, obviously. That's completely open. There's more hole here that we can see inside there. There's something there. Overall, not the best, and I absolutely hate it when stuff comes pre-opened courtesy of FedEx. So if anyone is working at FedEx and is watching this episode, let's get it open. We are fully open. Didn't really take very much. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. A piece of wood. That'll go on the fire. And by the way, is that a hat? I think they've sent me a hat with this. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay, also for those of you thinking this episode might not be for you, like I said, this is just an unboxing. So if you don't want to watch it for the chair, watch it for a middle-aged man trying to put one of these together, which I'm sure is going to be a horrendous experience. I hate the sound of polystyrene. Alright, okay. That's the back. We'll put that over there for now. Feels solid, very solid indeed. A bit. I think I'll need the bit. And now I'm going to use this handy handle. Oh, bloody hellfire. That is everything in the box. There doesn't appear to be any instructions. Huh. Or maybe it's in that box there. Alright, let's pop this somewhere out of the way. And I think we've got a little box here that I need to open, which I'm sure will have some instructions in. Should probably not have done that. Ah yes, it does say do not open with sharp objects. Never mind. This isn't that sharp anyway. Some more bits. We have the M-ware pack. This appears to be some stuff. You can see everything's labelled up quite well in where it all goes. Oh, okay, it looks like the instructions are on the website. One of the armrests. Ooh, that feels nice. Quite curved, that is. Ooh, I'm excited. This possibly is the more expensive of the chairs that they have available, and this is definitely a different style to what I'm used to. Got some wheels, piston thing. Yeah. Let's have a look at the instructions.
M9 assembly instructions. Today you will learn how to assemble your new Mavix chair. Let's get started.
Mavix! Is that how it's pronounced? It's pronounced Mavix. I've been pronouncing it Mavix. Bloody hell. sellotaped to the side of the box. It's an Allen key and 2 little bolts. Well, I must say the underside of this is something quite special. It looks very technical indeed. You've got these like vents here. So for sweaty bottoms or something, I don't know. But it looks like a very well finished product, and I must say this feels so soft already. Alright, each of the wheels are individually packed, and whoa, look at these wheels. These are more like what you'd find on a pair of inline skates. That's insane. Nice movement. Nice, nice. Exciting. They appear to have brakes on them as well. They've got bloody brakes on them. Each one of these has a brake on it. That is unnecessary, probably. This goes like this. Oh. Wow, that is a big boy. Didn't quite expect the width of that one. This feels so soft. Not sure if that's going to be a good thing, because it might mean the longevity bit's not quite as good, but we'll certainly see, won't we? This supposedly just slots into this little kind of thing at the back here. Look at that! That was so easy. This is a really straightforward chair to put together. I'm not going to lie here, this is the part I enjoy the least. I would much rather use power tools, but I'm not going to, because this is quite an expensive chair.
Make sure to put the armrests on their correct side. The armrests are marked with a L or R. Okay, right. I've just had a watch now of this. The armrest bit doesn't look quite as sleek. It just sort of sits on there like that, and you sort of screw it in from the underneath, which is okay. It's okay, it's not bad. It's not bad, but it's not the best. Would have preferred some sort of a lining type mechanism for it. But it's fine, it's not a problem. We can do this, we can deal with this. Align the holes of the headrest with the exposed screw holes of the backrest.
So this goes on here, like that. Okay, first time sitting on it. Oh, that is leaning back, apparently. Oh, this is unusual actually. This feels strange. Whoa! Look at this, right? This goes up and down. Right, so it's got multiple adjustments of clicks. So on the first click it stays there, second click it stays there, third, fourth click, still up, fifth click it goes back down, so there's 4 clicks. I'm going to put it on the 4th because I'm quite tall. Right, what else can we do? This is going back now. I don't need to. That feels really nice. This mesh bit on the bottom here, that is lovely. Let me put myself higher so you can actually see what's going on here. So these are adjustable, so they can go like that. I mean, these are adjustable. I think I need to tighten the screws though. Hold on a minute. It's taking a little bit of a while. I think I've got something that's pretty comfortable here. Do you know, I need this. I think I might need this backrest up a little bit more. How do I do that? Just a little bit. Oh, there we are. Right, okay. No, back a bit more. It's going to take some getting used to, because there is a hell of a lot of adjustability with this. That's what I really like about it. It's incredible. I can adjust the depth, the 4 directions of these, the backrest, the height of the backrest. It is insane, the level of adjustment, but there are a few initial criticisms on the adjustment. It's not always that obvious. There's quite a lot of knobs and dials and leaves and stuff. I'm not quite sure which ones do which just at this moment in time, even after watching the instructional videos. It's going to take me a little while just to get used to that. So that's something that we're going to have to touch on in a month's time. I will say the comfort is very nice though. This is very soft, this bottom bit. The little support, the lumbar support, is springy and springs with your back. That is nice, feels comfortable. What's quite strange is there's an audible hiss when you stand up, which is the bottom bit obviously sort of re-inflating through the vents that I showed you earlier on. Have a listen to this. Initially, I thought that was something wrong with the microphone that I've got here, but it's not. It's a bit unusual. Not a big deal when you're sitting on it, I guess, but if you are wondering what that hissing noise is when you're standing up off a Mavix M9, that is what it is. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. I think this feels like it should be a little bit closer to my neck if I'm leaning back, I don't know. But my overall initial impressions are that this seems to be a really quality build. I loved how quick it was to assemble. Of all of the chairs that I've assembled, this seems to be the most simple that I've tried so far. The only thing they could have improved maybe in future is the alignment of the armrests. There is no kind of slotting mechanism or something to kind of align it up a little bit easier. I'd love to see that in a future model, but other than that, so far the assembly process has been spot on and I've loved every moment of it being so easy. But that really is all from me today. Just such a quick episode, unboxing and taking my initial impression and first look at this chair. But we will catch up in a month's time where I am going to scrutinise every single bit of this chair and the company, because they actually turn around and say this has a 12-year warranty. So, hey, join me in a month's time where I really take a deep dive into Mavics and see what all the fuss is about and whether or not it's worth buying a Mavics chair. If I've already filmed that episode, I'll leave a link in the description below to that. You might be watching this a few months later, I don't know. But other than that, guys, that is all from me. If you liked today's video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified as soon as that video lands. But other than that, guys, I'll see you back for another episode of STU'S Reviews soon.